Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 12.1 question number 12. Cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180 and cost of 8 ball pen is 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Right? We will solve in this way. That is, we know that 1 dozen is equal to 12. We know that 1 dozen Zn 1 dozen is equal to 12, right? Therefore, we can write the cost of a dozen pens is 180 rupees. Therefore, cost of 12 pens, cost of 12 pens is rupees 180. Therefore, cost of 1 pen is rupees 180 by 12, right? If we cut this with 2, that is 2 6 12 and 2 9 18, 0 again, 2 3 6, 2 4 2 8, 2 4 8, 2 5 10. Again, if we cut 3 1 3, that is 3 1 3, 15, 3 5 15, 15, right? Therefore, cost of 1 pen is rupees 15 is equal to 15 rupees 15. Therefore, cost of 1 pen is rupees 15. Now, cost of 8 ball pen. Cost of 8 ball pen. The cost of 8 ball pens is equal to rupees 56. Therefore, cost of 1 ball pens is equal to rupees 56 divided by 8 equal to rupees 7, right? Therefore, we can find the ratio of, that is cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen to the cost of a ball pen. Cost of a ball pen is equal to cost of a pen is 15 and cost of a ball pen is 7. That is, if we find the ratio, it is 15 is to 7, right? Therefore, we got the answer. Therefore, we can say, therefore the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen is 15 is to 7. That is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.